Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a free job application tracker in Notion, step by step. If you're tired of juggling spreadsheets or losing track of where you've applied, this tutorial will give you a simple, professional system you can use to organize all your applications, deadlines, and follow-ups in one place. Whether you're hoping to land your dream job or just streamline your process, by the end of this video, you'll have a ready-to-use tracker that's easy to update and customize for your own needs. Let's dive straight in. To start, we'll be taking advantage of Notion's free job application tracker template. This is a big time saver. Instead of building your database from scratch, you'll get a polished framework designed for tracking job hunts, with a professional look that you can always tailor later. Think of it like moving into a furnished apartment. You'll have everything you need right away, and you can still add your own personal touches. Once you're in Notion, look at the top left corner of your workspace. You'll see a small drop-down icon or menu. Click that to bring out more options. It might feel a little hidden if you're new to Notion, but trust me, most template actions start here. When you click, you'll see a range of options, including Browse Templates. Select that, and you'll enter Notion's template library, which is full of ready-made layouts for all sorts of tasks. Now, let's search for the Job Application Tracker template. You can use the search bar at the top. Just type Job Application Tracker, and Notion will show you a mix of templates. Take a moment to browse through. There are a few variations, so pick the one that matches your style or workflow. Some have simple lists, others have a bit more detail like status columns or interview dates. There's no wrong choice. Pick what feels right for you now, knowing you can always adjust it. After clicking on your preferred template, hit Add to bring it into your workspace. Notion will make a copy for you, so you'll have full control to edit and personalize. This part might take a few seconds, especially if your internet is a little slow. Don't worry if it doesn't show up instantly. Now, you're ready to start customizing. Begin by adding your credentials. Think about what information you want to track for each job. Company name, position applied for, application date, follow-up reminders, and so on. Most templates make this super simple. Just click into a row and start typing. You can also upload any creative materials, like your resume or portfolio links, right into the tracker. It's like pinning important documents to a bulletin board, so you always know where everything is. If you want to personalize it further, Notion lets you change colors, add new columns, or tweak the layout. Maybe you prefer seeing your applications as cards for a visual overview, or maybe a clean spreadsheet works best for you. Play around for a few minutes to make the tracker truly yours. There's no rush, and you can always adjust things later as your workflow evolves. And that's it. You've just created a professional, free job application tracker in Notion. From here, you can update your progress, review deadlines, and keep all your application details in one organized spot. Remember, the template is just your starting point. You can keep refining it as you discover what works best for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and feel free to drop any questions in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more Notion tips and productivity tutorials. Good luck on your job search, and I'll see you in the next video.